Ms. Galindo, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Well, not very good because, I'm interested in seeing, there seems to be some unusual information that I'm receiving from the attorney here in reference to this letter that she had sent out. LaRonda Broyard-Williams. This is a lie. She's lying to me in this paper and I'm not going to stand for it.
Okay.
Are your attorneys licensed by the state?
Yes.
Are you familiar with the Office of Disciplinary Standards? Ms. Williams, are you in there? May I speak to you, please?
I'm actually on a call.
Pardon me?
On a call.
All right.
I'm on hold.
When may I speak to you?
You have to be on stuff.
Now, Ms. Galindo, some time ago I called you and left you a message to relay to LaRonda Williams a date in reference to an assault upon you. Do you remember that? You don't? Well, I have my records and documents will show that the date that I met with the attorney here on the afternoon, I called you and I spoke to you, and I gave you the date of the assault, of when I was assaulted. And as you know, since you work here and are familiar with some legal proceedings, that there is a what's called statutes of limitation, and that people need to file by certain dates and things like that. And I realized that. I will let you know.
What happened? Too short?
That I am an experienced and degreed investigative. Are you listening? I am a degreed investigative broadcast journalist, and I'm also running for city council. I've been investigating your office for a number of years. I've gotten some rather interesting complaints from people that have been referred to this office through the boot stamp office. Now, you all need to start doing your job, or I'm going to turn you all in to the state, and we're going to start an investigation in this office. Am I making myself clear? Okay, well, then you all can go ahead and deal with the state among. But I need to talk to her in reference to this lie. Well, she just told me that. Did you hear what she just said? Okay, she was on the. Listen to what I just said. What I'm saying. She's on the telephone, and I said, "Is there a time that I can meet with you?" She said, "Go ahead and wait for me. I'll be with you in just a moment." Okay, that's what she said. All right. So I want to know as to. Did you ever deliver that message to her?
I don't know. I don't remember.
You don't?
There's like a million messages.
Who is the director of this center?
You could talk to her. I'm extremely.
Yeah, I'm going to talk to her. Do you know who the director of the center is?
You can speak with Jennifer.
Do you or do you not know who the director is?
I don't have time for you.
All right.
I don't.
Okay. Well, the state will have time for you.
Okay, good.
Good. My concern is that the narrative or synopsis that you have provided in this letter is not true. This information right here, ma'am, a lot of it is not true. Are you a licensed attorney for the state? May I have the number, please, your state attorney number?
My bar number is 203.
Stand by. 203. Go ahead now.
8288.
8288. Okay. Ms. Williams, I'm a seasoned and experienced investigative broadcast journalist. I'm also a civil rights advocate. I advocate for the poor. As you know, as I told you the last time that I was here, that I am running for city council. I have been getting numerous complaints in reference to this office, and my experience with this office has been that this office has not been, I guess, servicing the clients very well. And I have been investigating this office for a number of years. Now, when I spoke to you the last time, your narrative is not what I had told you. Can you explain the reason why this narrative is not jiving?
The narrative the summary of my notes is exactly what you said. Now, you said a lot of stuff that day. You talked for, I've been doing it for quite some time, and I took copious notes. So I stand by what my notes were.
Okay. And I'll stand by my record as well, because I audio taped the conversation that I had with you. And when I reviewed the tape and the notes that I have in reference to your narrative, they did not correlate. And I'm concerned about that because it seems to me that this office is doing a disservice to the poor people and clients that come here by not providing the legal, I guess, representation that you in the office.
I'm assuming you're recording this now?
Perhaps. I may be, and I may be not.
Hold on 1 second.
Certainly. NorthWest, Texas?
I'm not the director. I'm the managing attorney at the office.
Managing attorney. Well, Ms. Thomas, the reason I'm here today is because...
Are you still recording this conversation?
I may be and I may not.
Okay, well, we're not going to continue talking if you're going to record.
Why is that?
We're just not.
Okay. Well, please know that Texas is a one-party state. Are you aware with that?
I'm aware.
Okay.
We're still not going to discuss your matter if you're going to record it.
May I have your name of your supervisor, please?
Pardon?
Your name of your supervisor, please.
I'll give you the executive director.
Sure.
Errol Summerlin, and he's at Fort Worth.
May I have the contact number, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
Let me get it for you.
I assume you're not talking to me? You're flabbergasted?
Yeah.
Okay. And that sounds fine.
Summerlin, and they just changed the extensions this week, but it's well, you don't have to dial the extension. It's 817
yes
649 4740.
4740.
And his email is Summerlin, SUMMERLINE
okay.
at LANWT.org.
At LANWT.org. Okay. May I have your bar number, please, Ms. Ramos?
No.
Okay. Is there a reason why you're not providing that?
It's public information. You can get that online.
Okay. The Office of Disciplinary Counsel folks will be hearing from us. Okay. Thank you. Try to make it a nice day. And for the record, Texas is a one-party state, so people do not need to let you know whether they're recording or not. Thanks. I'll try to do the same.